Hey, how's it going? Today, you and I are going to be using a Ninja Slushi to make Crown Royal Peach Lemonade Slushies. This is one of my favorite drinks, and we're going to make it even better by removing as much sugar as we can without wrecking the flavor. So you ready? Let's get into this. Okay, for this recipe, we need some fresh, ripe peaches, some lemon juice, monk fruit sweetener, an extra peach to use as garnish, some water, and some peach Crown Royal. Crown Royal is awesome. I like the containers they put these in. Isn't that fun? Wow. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients are down in the description of the video, along with the calories, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. Okay, so the first thing we gotta do is prepare these peaches. We've got the one that we're using as a garnish. We're leaving that on the side. Be careful not to use that one unless you don't care about garnishes in your drinks. Now, for this, we're just gonna pit these and then we're gonna quarter these things out, but we're gonna leave the skins on for this. So getting the pits out of these, not really that difficult. Just take your peach, cut it right down the middle and go all the way around with your knife, making sure you're keeping the knife against the pit because you can kind of feel it in there. And then you should get this to just pop in half, just like that. And all we gotta do is get that out. There you go, just like that. And then the rest of this peach, we're just gonna quarter these up and stick them right in there. And once you got your peaches like this, we'll be ready for our blender. So we'll open up our blender, throw in all of our peaches, and we'll also toss in our lemon juice. Now let me throw on this lid, and we're gonna blend this enough to get this pureed really well. We don't want any chunks, and we really don't want to see big pieces of skin or anything like that. The object is to get this as smooth as possible for our slushy machine. Okay, let's check this out. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. We'll get this out of here first. When you take out your blade tree, to be careful, it's very sharp, especially if you have one of these Ninja Death Machine ones. What? And we'll bring this over to the machine. Okay, now we'll go ahead and pour in our monk fruit sweetener. Give this a good stir to mix it in really good. And we're gonna pour in our Crown Royal just to thin this out a little bit more so it's easier to pour into the machine. Okay, now we can open this up and pour in our concoction here. Careful not to pour it in too quick because this is pretty thick. And then we'll use our water to pour back into the blender. That way we can get all of our little bits of stuff remaining here. And we'll pour this in and clear out all of that stuff that we got left over. Now we can turn on the slushy machine. And since I'm using a Ninja Slushi Max, I have the Slush Assist. That's all I gotta do is just push that button. Conversely, if I want to, I can just hit the spiked button here if I want to. That's for alcoholic beverages, but Slush Assist will take care of that too, so I'm just gonna do that. But if you have a machine that doesn't have the Slush Assist, or even if it isn't even a Ninja, that's fine, it all works. As long as your slushy machine can do alcoholic beverages, you're perfectly fine. So we'll go ahead and start that up. And now we wait. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Okay, our drink just got ready and that was about 28 minutes. Your results are going to vary a little bit depending on what machine you're using, but they should all kind of sort of be in the same range, maybe up to like maybe 45 minutes at the most. Now, all we got to do is get our garnish ready. And that's easy enough. We'll just cut this last peach in half. And I'm just going to take a little wedge off of the part with no pit, obviously. Very nice. Okay, and our drink. Ooh, that's looking good. We'll add in our peach, just like that. And our straw. And that is our Crown Royal Peach Lemonade Slushie. Wow, the peach flavor on this really pops. You gotta try it. I can't wait for you to try to make this drink because it is fantastic. If you like alternative flavored lemonades, you're just gonna love this. It's so freaking good. The best part is that you don't really have to feel guilty because it's got a lot less sugar and calories than you might think. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Slushi that I use to make this drink, I do have an Amazon affiliate link for it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay 1 cent. If you like this video and you'd like to see what other kinds of drinks you can make in a slushie machine, I do have a playlist right here that's got lots and lots of drinks in it. Check it out. You won't be disappointed. I guarantee it. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon. And until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.